is not just a technical problem, but also a social and political one. Addressing the root causes of food insecurity in countries with harsh climates requires a commitment to social justice and equity, and a recognition of the importance of human rights, gender equality, and cultural diversity. This includes policies and programs that support small-scale farmers, women, and marginalized communities, and that promote sustainable and equitable food systems. To further address food production and food security challenges in countries with harsh climates, it is important to also consider the role of technology and innovation in agriculture. For example, precision agriculture technologies, such as remote sensing and drones, can help farmers optimize irrigation and fertilization practices, improving crop yields while conserving water and reducing environmental impacts. Additionally, the use of climate-smart agriculture practices can help farmers adapt to changing weather patterns and extreme events, such as droughts and floods. This can include the use of drought-resistant crops, improved water management practices, and the adoption of conservation agriculture techniques to improve soil health and reduce erosion. Another important strategy is to strengthen local food systems and value chains. This can include supporting the development of local processing and storage infrastructure, as well as promoting local food markets and cooperatives. These efforts can help to reduce food waste and improve the availability and affordability of nutritious foods for local communities. In addition to these strategies, it is important to also address the underlying drivers of food insecurity, such as poverty, inequality, and political instability. This requires a commitment to social and economic development that supports the empowerment of small-scale farmers and marginalized communities, and that promotes inclusive and sustainable economic growth. Finally, it is important to recognize the interconnectedness of food systems with other sectors, such as energy, water, and climate change. Addressing these complex challenges requires a collaborative and interdisciplinary approach that brings together researchers, policymakers, and stakeholders from across different sectors and disciplines. To further improve food production and food security in countries with harsh climates, it is important to also address the issue of food waste. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, about 1/3 of all food produced for human consumption is lost or wasted every year. This not only represents a significant economic and environmental cost, but it also exacerbates food insecurity and hunger in regions with already limited resources. To address this challenge, it is important to promote food waste reduction and recovery strategies, such as composting, food donation, and food processing. Composting can help to reduce food waste by turning organic matter into nutrient-rich soil that can be used to improve soil fertility. Food donation programs can help to redistribute surplus food to those in need, while food processing can help to extend the shelf life of perishable foods, reducing waste and increasing availability. Another important strategy is to promote sustainable and climate-friendly diets that prioritize plant-based foods and reduce the consumption of animal products. Livestock production is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions and is often associated with deforestation and other environmental impacts. By promoting plant-based diets, we can reduce the environmental footprint of food production while also improving human health. In addition to these strategies, it is important to also address the issue of food safety in countries with harsh climates. Extreme weather events and other environmental factors can increase the risk of foodborne illnesses, particularly in regions with limited infrastructure and resources for food safety monitoring and regulation.